So, ito yung example natin ng sworn declaration na no ending inventory yung ating yung ilalagay. So, we are using the same format, the same form, and the same sworn declaration yung sa Annex D ng RMC. So, ito yung example natin. Kita niyo sa first paragraph, yan, that in compliance with Section 13 of Revenue Regulations, yan, dun sa dulo banda, the said company has no ending inventory as of taxable year ending December 31, 2024. So, yun lang yung pinagkaiba is this time we will indicate that we have no ending inventory for that taxable year. So, yeah, yun yung sagot dun sa tanong. No, we don't need to submit na yung BIR inventory list and yung, of course, yung DVD-R tsaka yung USB flash drive since wala naman tayong inventory list, hindi na din tayo magsasubmit nun. Yung kailangan natin i-submit is yung BIR sworn